Hi guys, welcome back to AJ's Paintings. So today I'm going to pour some acrylic paints on a tray. This is a plastic tray. I just put some tape on the side. I know I don't need to do it, but I just wanted to make sure that it doesn't go on the sides. I have some bronze, gold, metallic blue. These are all Artist Loft paints, turquoise, and these are just mixed paints I just have left over from another painting. This is blue, and this is blue with some white in it, and this is kind of like a sea green that I mixed. So my plan is to just pour it and then move it around and see what happens. I cleaned the tray with isopropyl alcohol, this one right here. I don't know if you can see. You don't have to if you don't have it, just make sure that it's clean. I might use some white as well. We'll see when I start putting it on, and I'll see if I need to. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna start with my metallic blue, and I'm just gonna go, you know, have fun with it. Okay. This is metallic turquoise. Okay. I don't want it to be, you know, all everywhere. This light blue, not sure about this one, so I don't know if I'm gonna put too much, but let's see. I hope I have enough paint to move it around, because right now it doesn't seem that way. The turquoise that I mixed, this is so pretty. Okay. What other colors do I have? Oh yeah, bronze, and gold. All my paints are mixed with fluidart and water. Oh, I love this gold. This is Artist Loft. Okay, so I'm going to start moving them around, and then we'll see if it actually moves. If it doesn't, then maybe I'll use my hairdryer to see. Okay, so the paints don't want to move. That's okay. Let's try the hairdryer. That's why I used the tape on the side, because I just wanted to make sure it doesn't go splattering all over. The paint moves better if there is something under it to move on. If you like kind of light on, and since I didn't have anything under it, it's gonna take a little bit, you know, like moving it around. All right, good. So let me just go ahead and put more paint. Metallic turquoise. This looks nice. Okay, let's finish these paints. It will look nice with this. I hope you guys can hear me right. I haven't done this before with this mic, so I'm just testing it out. let's put some white. I think white would look nice. This kind of adds a little bit of contrast to it. Okay, now let's go to gold. Okay, so let's do it again with the hair dryer. You see the difference? Love it. Let me switch to the other hair dryer, which is a bit more powerful. So cool. All right. Okay. Okay, let's pop the bubbles. I really like the gold in here, and I wish there was some in here. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit, you know, along this one. I see this petal. And I'm just gonna try to blow it in. Yeah, that looks cool. Amazing. I'm gonna put some of that bronze right here. I think I will add to it. Just following the shapes that are already there. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Just gonna pop some more bubbles so you can get a bit more cells. Okay, all done. So here is a close-up. I hope you can see it from there. I'm gonna bring the camera a bit closer to show. Okay, so there we go. I removed the tape. One thing I would say, if you do put the tape on, make sure that you take it off when it's still wet. So if there's any paint that went under the tape, you're able to clean it right away when it's still wet. So this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends, and let me know what you think about it in the comments. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.